Welcome back, guys. So today our topic is about how to change Accordion tab on a click. So how can we change the image on a click? So let me show you the demo. So here you can see we have the Accordion tabs, and when I click on here, you can see this is our first image. When I click on second heading, the image is changing. When I click on third heading, the image is changing as well. So let me show you how can we make this happen. So let me click on here and let me click on edit with Elementor. So let me show you how can we do this, how can we achieve this. So first of all, uh, you can make it anywhere you want. So I will make it exactly just below this one. So just click on here, I will make it here. So just click on plus icon, and here click on plus as well here. So let me delete this one first. Let me delete this one from here, and let me click on publish, and let me show you now. We can see we don't have the accordion and image here. So let me create it from the scratch. So I will click on plus icon here, then plus here, then flexbox. And I will choose these two containers here, and then click on six dots. I will go to advanced tab, and here I will give it a 60 padding from the above and 120 from the bottom. So it's totally up to you. Then just go to your widget section and search for accordion, and here you can see accordion. So just drag and drop this portion here, and here it is. And in this section, just drag and drop image here. So here you can see, and I will make this one here medium. Here it is, and then I will go back to my accordion tabs, and then I will name it atom number 1. Let me insert it. We insert number 2 here and number 3 here. There you can see, and let me remove this, make it none. Here it is, and let me insert a text here. We'll go back here and we'll insert a text here, same as it is. I will go back here and insert text here, and I will go back here and I will insert a text here without wasting your time, guys. So let me show you how can we. So now I will just insert one image here, and let me insert this image here. Here you can see, let me insert this one. Here it is. So now without making any changes, so I will not focus on the design. I will show you how can we make this one. So let me make just the addings little bit bold, and let me make it back, and let me this. Yeah, I think here it is looking quite good. So here it is. So now here it is, and let's go back again. Just click on here on image and go to advanced tab, and here go to CSS class and write toggle -img. So just note, in CSS class, just click on here and go to your CSS class and write toggle img, and just click on publish as well, and just go back to your Elementor. So Elementor section, and if you are using the Elementor Pro, so just go to the custom code section here and just click on add new here, and just write here image, give it a title. It's totally up to you, image swap, and then here just write just select the body end and click on always load query as well. And here, let me copy my code. So I will copy my code. Here it is. And I will paste my code here. Here you can see I have pasted my code here, and then I will click on publish. And here I will just select the entire site and just save and close here. So you can see here it is. So now I just clicked here. Let me close the script as well. Let me close script here, and now it is. And let me go back here again and let me refresh the tab. So now it's already there. And how can we insert another images? So it's just the one image. So just copy this code here and paste it again here and just change your image here. I already inserted this image, the URL. Just go to media tab. Here it is. And let me choose this one here. I will click this one here and copy URL. I will copy the URL and I will go back here and I will remove this URL from here and I will insert this URL. So I have three tabs here. You can see I will just copy the code again and insert it again. Here it is. I will go back to my media library and I will copy this image URL and I will go back here and I will here you can see here it is, and I will click on update here. So here it is. So make sure, so let me go back again here and let me refresh this. So it's already open, so it's not changing. So what you need to do, just right click on here and click on inspect here. Just go back here, just go back and select here. So you can see and en accordion item title, you can see here it is, and it is 2800. Just copy this one 2800 and just go to code here and write it here 2800 and just go back again here and just select the number 2 same as it is. You can see here it is 2801 and here 2802. 2802, 2801. So let me show you the last one. Just click and inspect here. So here you can see 2802. And just go back to your code and click on update here and just go back here and click on here. So now you can see when I click on here, the image is now changing here, here, and here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will share the code in the description section. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. So kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.